Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the SAUCONY Shadow 6000s. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the SAUCONY, oh my god, I can't believe I said it wrong. It is actually pronounced SAUCONY Shadow 6000. I think this is the first SAUCONY sneaker review that we've done. Unfortunately, we did have ages ago at my old job. I was gifted a pair of SAUCONYs and I really did want to do a review, but unfortunately I had to wear it on the day. It was a whole mismatch, and I was really excited to properly introduce a new brand to the channel. But it's great that we're doing it here for you guys today. I know it's long overdue because I'm a big advocate for SAUCONY's sneakers. I believe they're one of the most underrated running brands on the market today, and they are if you know, you know. So for those that don't know, they are an American company. They design a lot of running sneakers, very casual wear as well. And the story behind their logo is that it is two rivers with three boulders. So you got there, it looks like a stream, and you got three boulders there. There was marketing a long time ago where obviously loads of people thought it was pronounced SAUCONY, but there was like a little description, phonetic split of how you pronounce the name, and it was literally like sock, like the sock you wear on obviously, and knee. So altogether it's SAUCONY, and that is how you pronounce it. Today we've got a original, one of their true OG sneakers in our possessions today. We've got the Shadow 6000. We've got this in the white red colorway in a UK size 7.5. It's a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. Let's go unboxing. And here it is. Classic, like I mentioned guys, if you know your sneakers, you know that these are a proper, if you know, you know kind of deal, and it's a classic. You think of your old Reeboks, you think of the Workout, you think of the Club C. This is that basically for SAUCONY. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, and you got the XT600 grip technology there. So you got that traction patterning, SAUCONY logo there, and you got a bit of red just to add some contrast right there. Midsole unit, essentially it's an EVA foam midsole all around there for your comfort. It's really great to have in your sneakers if you're a avid sneaker wearer. A lot of the times your sneakers are made out of a foam midsole. The upper is made out of a mix of materials. You've got really great cuts of leather making the outer, but the inner, you can see the synthetic mesh. So obviously it's man-made materials, mesh on the toe box, and then just on the mudguard area there you can see the levers. Where the logo is on the medial and the lateral side, so it is a mix of nylon and leather, and obviously that logo, as I mentioned before, is like two streams and three boulders from America, obviously. The tongue, it's a very nicely padded tongue. You got a SAUCONY Shadow lettering there and a person running, and you got 6000. Flat lacing system here as well, and it comes in another pair of grey laces if you'd like to try them in another colour. At the back side of the heel, you got your levers again, and the SAUCONY logo stitched on. The insole, so you got a foam insole, SAUCONY logo. What more do you need? I love these sneakers. These are, again, if you know, you know, like, to me, supremely underrated as a brand. SAUCONY is, not a lot of people know SAUCONY. Obviously, like, people would rather wear the Nikes and Addies and all that jazz. Another SAUCONY sneaker. I didn't even mean that as a pun, so no pun intended on my part. But before we get onto the on feet, you got the SAUCONY logo on the midsole, right there as well. And I'm just gonna round it off again, guys, like a hugely underrated sneaker. Again, it's one of those, if you know, you know. And I'm really excited to try these on. These are the proper OG SAUCONY sneakers, and I'm glad that we were able to review these for you. So roll that footage of me trying these SAUCONY 6000s or Shadow 6000s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size SAUCONY fit. Usually I'm a 7.5 in like Nike or Adi, and it turns out I'm the same size on the SAUCONYs as well. These are really dope, classic sneaker to have, very comfortable, very minimalistic. Obviously the red kind of shines bright there. But, you know, again, it's one of those sneakers, guys, if you know, you know. You'll get those nods from approving people when you're walking down the street with your new Shadow 6000s. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.